Hi, welcome to my channel, and in the video today I'm going to demonstrate how to cut paper with one hand. And I'm making this video because it's kind of tricky if you can only use one hand to cut paper, because it's difficult to try to hold the paper and cut it at the same time. So what I'm going to be using in this video, it's kind of creative. This was something my mom actually made me when I was a kid. You have these two pillar type things here, and they're magnetic. Take them off, then you lay paper across it and put it back, and it holds it still while you cut it. And so I'm going to demonstrate on that. And I also have this clipboard that I've set up where I put the paper on it, and because usually when you cut paper, you don't just go, okay, I'm just going to start cutting random things. You usually have some sort of goal of, I'm cutting this shape or that. So to draw the shape that you're going to be cutting out, that's what this is useful for. And I've put a notepad underneath this to hold it still. You could put non-stick stuff on the back of the clipboard, like on the bottom of this, it has non-stick or non-skid material on it, where you actually have to kind of push it pretty hard to move it around. And but with this, I would just put something underneath it for now, and so you can just hold it down with the side of your hand. And with the clipboard and something underneath it, it really doesn't move that much, so you can kind of just trace what you need to. And then you can lift this up and move the ruler around, or if you're tracing something circular, you can use a cup holder or something. And it might seem a little tedious, doing one type of thing and then moving the ruler or whatever it is you're using around for each individual thing, but it is very secure, and it's a lot less frustrating than it moving around when you're trying to hold it down with the side of your hand. But so you can do that when you're tracing it. And then if you make something like this, and this is just stuff from a craft store, it's wooden pieces with magnets hot glued on there, and these have hot glue on them. And of course, because paper is so thin, the magnetism goes through. So you lay it on there. And this could work with a clipboard as well, if you have the non-skid stuff on the back of a clipboard and you have it like that. Or maybe even if you have a clamp or something, you could clamp a clipboard to the side of the table if you want to try something like that. But with this, you just go like that, and that holds it still to where you can cut out your shapes of what you want to do. So you just put the scissors on the edge. If you need to adjust it, you can. You can take these off and do something like that. Even if it's if it's smaller, you can do just one side. And I actually did make something ahead of time using these techniques, and I'll show you when I'm done, but I'm just kind of showing you different things you can try with that. So you can do that. And what I made using these techniques for the video was, I made a name tag. I laid a piece of paper down on this clipboard and traced it and the shape, and then I put the paper on here, moved it around, and I just wrote my name on it. Alright, so that's about it for this video. I know that this is kind of odd looking if you've never used anything like this before, but if you have any questions about where do I get stuff for it, how do I put it together, what other things can I use, let me know in the comments section, and I'll clear up any questions you might have. But thank you for watching.